And welcome back to the Canvas Tutorial Show. I'm Evan, where we look to make Canvas more understandable so that you can move beyond the interface and focus on your objectives. In today's show, I want to give you a resource, which is a resource that everybody should be using. I like making videos, and there's a lot of other people that are making good videos out there. But if you really want to know how to use Canvas and how to use it well, you need to go to the horse's mouth, and that's the official Canvas guides. Okay, so I'm going to give you a link first. Okay, this is a big link. And so what I've done is I've turned it into a bit.ly link. It's bit.ly/thecanvasguides, bit.ly/thecanvasguides. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you here. These are the official Canvas guides put out by Instructure. I want to point you to two different parts in the guides to help you get started. Most of us are instructors, and so you're going to want to click right here. Okay, so I'm just going to there we go, open that up in another tab. What these are the basic questions that you might have. For example, how do I use the announcements index page? How do I allow students to like replies in a course announcement? If you have a question, it is likely here, the answer. If you cannot find your answer here, well, go to the Canvas Tutorials community, ask it there. And I know that our many users would love to answer that question for you. So these are mostly text documents. Okay, so for example, how do I download all student submissions for an assignment? You see that it's a picture and word walkthrough of how to do it. They put really good guides on here. Okay, so that's the first one. You want to go to the instructor guide. The second one is you want to click over here on the right where it says guides video. Again, I like making these videos, but sometimes I need to go and I need to watch, there we go. I need to watch one of the videos that they created just to make sure that I understand it well. And so right here, they have a large number of videos, walkthroughs, tutorials. Again, most of us are instructors, so you can see right here. For example, I want to understand the gradebook better. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to watch it. Okay. So there's your resource for today. They're quality resources. It's getting it straight from Instructure, who built the Canvas. Okay. Again, that link is bit.ly/thecanvasguides. Will take you straight there. Okay. Well, as always, I hope that this content has been helpful to you. And I want you to get the most out of what we're doing. And so if you haven't already, follow the show. Just in Facebook, type @CanvasTuts. It's going to take you to a couple links. One will be the show. Make sure you hit follow so that you get every new upload. If you haven't already, join the Facebook group, the Canvas tutorial community. Again, just in the group, in the Facebook, just search for @CanvasTuts, and you're going to see the group there. Post your questions there, help other people, and just be a part of the community. It's going to help. And the last thing is that if you find a video that we make that just helps you, share it out. Share it on your profile. Share it to teachers that you know that could also use it. I hope this content has been helpful, and you have a great day.